The energy sector has a secondary seasonal period from July 24th until October the 3rd. The seasonal trend is not typically as strong as a February to May primary seasonal trend, but it is worth considering. Also, please note, the sector starts on July 24th, and here we are talking about it towards the end of June. From a seasonal point of view, investors should start considering a sector approximately about a month ahead of its seasonal period, because particularly if the sector is corrected strongly and technicals are picking up, which is really starting to happen with the energy sector at this time in its secondary seasonal period. Let's start by taking a look at West Texas Intermediate crude. And if you take a look here, we have seen this overall downtrend since the beginning of the year, and recently a real correction. Currently, West Texas Intermediate crude is approximately $43 at the time of this video. We have support at $40. It's become oversold from an RSI and a full stochastic oscillator. So we have seen some oversold. If we do start to see West Texas Intermediate crude start to pick up, this could be an opportunity, particularly if the overall stock market starts to pick up, which will be reflected in stocks, which would be positive for the energy sector. If we take a look at the energy sector using XLE in the States, the ETF, which the same broad trends apply to the Canadian energy sector as well, but we've seen an overall downtrend taking place, and the sector has become oversold. So here we are a few weeks before the start of its seasonal period, where we've seen the sector really correct, which pushes down on the sector like a compressed spring. Even though we have a lot of negative publicity as far as rig counts go and oil glut and perhaps the Saudi agreement, the OPEC agreement, there's a lot of negativity from a fundamental point of view. If we do start to see a pickup in both oil and the stock market, we could see the secondary seasonal period for the energy sector start to play out a little bit early here. Something definitely to watch for seasonal investors at this time. Thank you very much.